Hey, this is also on NC Motorsports. Today we're going to go over some frequently asked questions. So we do not offer in-house financing, and we never will offer in-house financing. That is our number one question we get asked on every single vehicle we put for sale. It's something I don't have any interest in doing. I don't care to do it. Best we can tell you is either bring us cash or go to your bank or a finance company and get approved there. We do not help in any fashion as far as getting any sort of financing. It just simplifies our process. That's what our store is all about. We try to be very simple. The short answer is yes. Long answer is it depends on what you want. So obviously if you're a customer of ours, we would assume that you want the products that we sell. If you're looking at something foreign or whatever it may be, we can find it. Do we feel comfortable finding it? No, it's just something I really don't want to mess with. We're not familiar with them, so I don't want to go buy something and then it has issues and we don't know what to do with it at that point. So if you want a truck, come see us. If you want something weird, off the wall, foreign, German, whatever, we have other people that can help you with that. Location, where we're at, where the dealership is, where the store is, everything's under the same building. The dealership, we're off Highway 42 West between Clayton and Garner, and then also too in the same building is where we do all of our aftermarket stuff. Wheels, tires, our alignments, whatever it may be, everything is right here in the same store. So we do have a third-party warranty company that we use. We ourselves do not offer warranties on vehicles. It's actually, if you knew DMV laws for selling vehicles, we cannot offer that. We do have a third-party warranty company that we use, we refer you to. It's your choice. You read the literature on it and you make the decision if you want it. We're not going to push it on you. So we do. Every vehicle comes with a free Carfax. It's on our website. So if you see this vehicle for sale, truck, SUV, whatever it is, if you see it on Facebook, you cannot get the Carfax on Facebook. They don't attach it. You have to go to our website. If you see it on Car Gurus, they don't have Carfax. Don't know why, don't ask, it is what it is. You will have to go to our website. All the other places, advertising sites, Auto Trader, Carfax.com, obviously, Auto List, some of them have it attached, but the easiest way to find these history reports is directly on our website, and it's free to everybody. Is our prices negotiable? Welcome to 2023. No, they're not negotiable. I don't know, this is the new car industry that we're in. We're not going to negotiate on prices. They're hard enough for us to buy. Our profit margins are thinner than they've ever been, even though it seems like we're making a ton of money. They're not. We're all chasing these vehicles. Every single dealership out here, we're buying from the same places. We have to pay buy fees, transportation, whatever it may be. Then there's a shortage. We cannot get what we need. So our price is negotiable? Absolutely not. They're not. Our price is listed as a cash price plus tax, title. That's exactly how we operate. So to simplify everything, what you see on the window is what you're going to pay. So we can get all your major brands. Some brands out there, we have customers come in and they want them, and it's just some oddball, weird stuff that I've even never seen before. To answer that is really, honestly, is no. Can we get everything? We probably can. Do we want to? No. If it's a product that we're not really interested in selling, we don't want to offer it to you. So we want to offer the brands that we trust, and we deal with the distributors that we trust. If there's any issues, we know who we need to contact. That's more important to us than trying to get any and every brand we possibly can. So what's the biggest tire you can put on your truck without lifting it? Whatever's on it right now without rubbing. That's the easiest way to answer that question. Do not come in this shop wanting to put 35s in your Ford Ranger. It's not going to happen. That's it.
That's a good way to